right, so again, I'm like looking so tired, but just like important to always have all your stuff packed. You never know how far you're gonna be out or how long you're gonna be out, but I packed everything in case, and it always ends up saving my day. So I always bring random egg whites just in case to fill. I got my L-carnitine, my apple cider during the day to help cut my hunger, and great for your skin. But I'm really hungry now, and one of my food is still frozen, so I'm gonna ask the cafe if they can microwave it. And also, I also bring, in case, like some carbs that I can cook if I need, based on how my body's looking. I got my BCAAs for water during the day. That really helps. Oh my god, everything looks like a mess. But yeah, this is like literally everyday pack a mini kitchen. I have more details on what these foods are in my other Instagram. If you're not following, it's the Lila RD Eats. And I just try to post more food stuff there. But yeah, this is tofu scramble with veggies. And it's for I need the fats now and the carbs. Then I'm gonna go do my workout. But yeah, guys, gotta be prepared always. Look at all my bags, how ridiculous.